Hetty 1313.
Hey people! Okay, so my hair is extra crazy right now, but I don't even care. And let me tell you why. Because I just had the greatest massage ever in the history of ever. Like, seriously, this woman is a miracle worker. Like, she actually made my ankle move, where I'm having problems with my ankles moving and stuff. And she was like, oh, it's just because this muscle is too tight, so let's stretch that out. And all of a sudden my ankle was like, hey, I'm moving. I was like, oh, my Hannah Montana. She is absolutely amazing. And seriously, then she even like rubbed my head, and she was like, wow, you've got so many knots on your head. And I've been having problems with my jaw, like clenching my jaw so much because of stress, I guess. And then, like, when I yawn or whatever, like, popping, the jaw pops out. Like, it's weird, I don't know, but it hurts like hell. And she even told me that I did that before I even told her I did that, because she could just tell by the muscles. And she pretty much fixed it for now. Anyway, like, I don't feel the need to clench or my jaw or anything. And I am actually thinking very clearly right now. Like, you understand, like, I was in tears not too long ago because I was just like, I cannot believe how great I feel right now. Now, I do have to drink 3 bottles of water, and because I'm dehydrated, but also because, I mean, that'll clear the toxins out that she just released with, like, the millions of knots that were in my body and in places that I didn't even know I had knots. And like in my thighs and like my calves and stuff like that. It's just, and on my feet, on my head, you know what I mean? Whatever. So I'm just like absolutely amazed. And I'm going to have to figure out a budget when I come back from VidCon, you know, for everything I want to do. But I absolutely, she has to be a must in there. Like, she's right up there with housing, electricity, you know, everything else in her. Like, because honestly, and she was like, yeah, I totally see why you're not walking unassisted right now. There's, with all these knots and how stiff your muscles are and stuff. And she was just, I mean, she knew everything before I even told her. So, whatever, I'm sold. She is in it. She is in my budget. It's going to happen, people. She is amazing. So, Brad Knows All gave that to me as a belated birthday gift. And I cannot thank him enough. Seriously, I'm like, it was the best thing ever. I feel amazing. It's awesome. Hey peeps. Okay, so I was laying down just about to go to sleep, and phone kept ringing. Finally answered it, and it was my new physical therapist. Now, she came over the other day just to do like an evaluation, so this is our actual first therapy session, and I'm going to let you know right now I don't like her. I'm going to give her a shot, but honestly, if I don't like her, then I'm just going to go ahead and fire the whole agency that I'm using for this, because they've been nothing but trouble. So just gonna have to let them go. She seems like she just really doesn't care, whereas my other therapist does, but he no longer works for them. I wonder why. Alright, I'll let you know how it goes. Hey people! Okay, so it's obviously the next morning. I look like an Ethiopian warthog. I'm about to get into the shower. Me and Val have a very big day ahead of us. But anyway, okay, as far as the physical therapy went yesterday, she wore me the hell out. And the deal is I think it's because I had the, you know, what is it? The massage. That's the word. I had the massage and everything, so I was already tired. But physical therapy, plus I haven't had physical therapy in so long. She does seem to be pretty good, but I think she like just graduated, and I know that I'm not hating on people that just graduated, because hello, they need time too, but I think I just really need my old therapist back, so I'm going to call him and see what agencies he works for, or if he even wants to work with me anymore. I don't know why he wouldn't, but you know, then again, I'm me. So, if that's not the case, then I'm probably going to end up changing home health agencies, just because I have two. One for the home health aide, which is Valerie, and one for like nursing and physical therapy, stuff like that. And the one that I've had for the nursing and stuff, I've had them for a few months, and they've been nothing but rude and not doing what I wanted. And I understand that there's issues with Medicare paying for things and stuff like that, but I think that they're more about the money and not about the care. So, but I can't want to think about it until I get back from VidCon. So that's the deal. And then Chase went fishing and stuff like that, hung out with friends, and I'm so glad that he's able to do that, just because he got done with the summer school and stuff so early. So he's an amazing kid, and he's doing so great. I can't even express how amazing he is. So that's the deal. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I slept a lot. I did drink my 3 bottles of water. It took everything I had to just get them down, because that's what she said. Because I don't drink that much of anything. Like, I might have my coffee in the morning, and then a Coke and a few sips of water, and then that's it. And I might not even finish the Coke. Do you know what I mean? So I definitely need to concentrate on getting more liquids in me and blah, blah, blah. Plus with the, you know, the massage and stuff like that to release the toxins. I need to drink more water is what I'm getting at. So that was yesterday. Today is going to be awesome. We're getting, because today is Valerie's last day for just like a week, because, well, 2 weeks, because I'm going to be gone the next, well, like a week and a half. Anyway, she's going on vacation, so we're just trying to get things done, and her friend Cassie is here to take over for the few days that I'll be here next week, and the weekend and such. And yeah, so I'm a little stressed, but I really shouldn't be. I'm just, you know, I just am, because that's who I am. So hopefully today I can relax some more, just like I did after the massage. So there you go. Alright, totally love your guts. Toodles poodles. Kisses on your face.